What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to install the Visual Studio Code in your computer. Then let's get started. But before we start, do not forget to like and subscribe in the channel. The first step, we're gonna go to Google Chrome and write in Google VS Code, or I will leave you the link below the video in the description. Alright, let's go to site. So this is the website for VS Code. So if you have Mac OS or Windows, the process is not different. But if you have Linux, the process is different. I will talking about it in other video. I already download the file. Then let's go to installation. Check I accept and click next. And next and next. Here check the first three. Also next. There, wait here to complete the loading.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Finally, now we have Visual Studio Code. Click on finish. Alright, now wait for program interface to open. Here you are. This is Visual Studio Code. In the next video, I will show you how to install C++ in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching and peace out.
These opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.